Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about retirement of partner. My dear student, in retirement of partner, what is the important thing? We have already studied about admission of partner, but in the admission of partner, we have added the partner. Okay, but in the retirement of partner, what happened? Suppose A, B, and C are partners. Okay, A, B, and C are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, so my dear student, in 3 is to 2 is to 1, suppose C retire. Okay, C retire. We are talking about C retire. What is the meaning of C retire? It means C is going out. He is outgoing partner. Outgoing partner. Outgoing partner means he is going to retire from the business. Okay, my dear student. So C retire. What is the new ratio of A and B? The new ratio of A and B is 3 is to 2. Okay. Why? Because there is no information in the question. If it is silent regarding what amount of they are going to be acquired C's profit. Okay, my dear student, in this condition there is a silent information. Okay, it is a when there is a information is silent regarding C share of profit. Okay, C's share of profit means there is no information regarding what amount of the profit sharing is going to be acquired by A and B. So the new profit sharing ratio of A and B is equal to 3 is to 2. Okay. So in this question, in this type, if there is no any agreement, so in the absence of any information, you can say that there is a no information means the A and B is the information is mentioned here. A and B, the profit sharing ratio, that is called new ratio of A and B is 3 is to 2. Suppose B retire. Okay, suppose B is going to retire. If B is going to retire, what will happen? If B is going to be retired, if B is going outgoing partner. Okay, outgoing partner. B is outgoing partner. It means he is outgoing partner means he is going to out. Okay, so the ratio of A and C is 3 is to 1. Okay, my dear student, the ratio of A and C. Suppose B A retire, A is outgoing partner. Suppose A is outgoing partner. The ratio of B and C is equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1. The ratio of 2 is to 1. Okay. When C retire, what will happen? We have already studied. So my dear student, if there is no information regarding the contribution taken over by existing partner, so in this sense, retiring partner here B is existing partner. If B is retired, A and C is existing partner. If A is retired, B and C is existing partner. Okay. So what is the main thing you have to is information. So our new topic is that new profit sharing ratio in the retirement chapter. If there is no information regarding what amount of they are acquiring from the outgoing partner, the old ratio has become the new ratio. Now, if suppose what is the gaining ratio? What is the gaining ratio? My dear student, gaining means you have to acquire. Here gaining ratio, in short gaining ratio, that is called GR. Gaining ratios formula I am going to give that new ratio, that is NR, new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, new ratio minus old ratio. What is this new ratio minus old ratio? If gaining means acquire, suppose A, B and C, the profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 3:2:2. Suppose if C retire, it means there is no information. If there is no information, okay, if there is no information, okay, so gaining ratio of A and B is same, whatever they have, 3:2. Okay, so my dear student, it is simple. The gaining ratio means new ratio minus old ratio. If there is no information in the question, you have just see who is going to retire. Suppose in this year C is going to retire. The gaining ratio is 3:2. Okay, so you no need to calculate. Come to the next part where we have to calculate. Okay, so I am giving the question. Okay, suppose A, B and C are partner. Okay, they have a profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. So in this question, my dear student, what you have is S is going to be, C is going to be retired. Suppose I am going to retire for B. Okay, B is going to retire. B retire. So B is going to retire. But in the question, it is mentioned the profit acquired in 2:1. What is the meaning? The profit sharing acquired by 2:1 by whom? A and B. It is simple, my dear student. In this question, A, B and C are partner. They have profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Okay. So what you observe? If B is going to retire, the B's profit is, what is the B profit? B share is, you can write down B share is 3/10. So this profit is going to be acquired by A and B. In which ratio? In question it is mentioned 2:1. So you have to calculate this way. Okay, you have to calculate this way. Simply you have to calculate A. What is the profit sharing of B? So you have to calculate here 3/10 into 2/3. 3/10 into 1/3. You can also cancel here. This one is cancelled. 2/10 and 1/10. Okay. This is called the profit which is going to be acquired by A and B. Okay. This is going to be added in the profit sharing of A and C. So what is the A's new ratio? What is the A new share? A new share is equal to old share minus old share plus acquired share of profit. Okay, for whom? From B. Okay, what is the new share? Simple, my dear student. A's new share is equal to old share plus acquired share of profit from B. So old share is, what is given? 5/10 plus 2/10. So new share is 7/10. Okay. Other student, next we have to calculate C's new share. C's new share is what? C's new share is equal to old share of C plus acquired share of profit from B. So you have to calculate what is the value. C 2/10 plus acquired share is here 1 by 10. You mention 1 by 10, 3 by 10. Okay. The new profit sharing is what? 7 is to 3. So new profit sharing of, you can write down new profit sharing is A and C. New profit sharing 7 is to 3. Okay. So my dear student, what is the gaining ratio? If you want to calculate, okay, you can calculate, but no need to calculate. This is the acquiring ratio. So gaining ratio is 2 is to 1. Okay. So if you want to calculate, simply you calculate what is the formula of gaining ratio? New ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. You just calculate new ratio, gaining ratio of A is equal to what? New ratio minus old ratio. So what is the new ratio here? 7 by 10 minus 5 by 10. What do you observe? 2 by 10. Okay. Simple. What is the gaining ratio of C? New ratio of C minus old ratio of C is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Here is, sorry, what is the new ratio? 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is new ratio, 3 by 10 is new ratio, and old ratio is 2 upon 10. 2 by 10. So what is difference? So my dear student, this ratio is called gaining ratio. You can write simply gaining ratio is equal to 2 is to 1. So in this you have to observe, my dear student, what you observe, that you can say that gaining ratio is also here. Whatever the ratio they acquire from B is also gaining ratio. Same situation also, whatever the ratio acquired by C is also gaining ratio 1 by 10 or 2 by 10. You can calculate this way also. If there is a question mention that old ratio and new ratio is given, you can use simple formula like new ratio minus old ratio. If there is a no mention anything, no need to calculate, the old ratio is going to become a gaining ratio. My dear student, I hope you can understand these things because it is very important for this chapter. Thank you.